hope you're all doing okay out there. Now today we're doing another Halloween, very simple and easy to do. It looks very complicated, but it's not even slightly complicated. Let's get into it. I really hope you like it. So the polishes I'll be using today are firstly orange. It's an orange shade and it's called Oranges. So very easy to remember because it's orange and I've called it Oranges. It's a lovely creamy orange polish. Now also I'm going to be using this really beautiful gunmetal grey, it's called gunmetal grey, that's why I said that, gunmetal grey cream polish. It's really nice, it's very delicious. I'm going to start off with the gunmetal grey, and simply because I wanted to show you how deliciously this goes on. You can almost get away with just one good, like decent coat and it's basically opaque. Then on my accent nail, I'm using Oranges, and yes, it's definitely going to need 2 coats in order to get fully opaque, but you can definitely get away with 1 coat, but it's a very delicious cream consistency. It's very nice. But yeah, 2 coats will get you completely opaque. And of course, we're going to do some cleanup, so for those of you who do enjoy it, enjoy. For those of you who don't, skip ahead now. Now we're going to do a combination of stamping and painting with this one. So we're going to start off with the pumpkin, Halloween pumpkin's face, and we're using a Uber Chic Beauty Halloween plate, and that is plate number 202. Very easy to use. The plates are really good. And we're going to just transfer that onto the orange now. You might want to remove any bits off the stamper. I usually use like a roller, but you can use tape, you can use whatever you like, but I use like a lint roller. And you're going to then stamp that onto around the middle of your nail. And then we're going to jazz it up a little bit with some painting with some black acrylic craft paint. You can leave it like that, but it looks better if you do a little bit of extra with my favourite acrylic craft paint, as per usual. So we're going to just fill in around the top of the nail and the tips of the nail, and it's going to make it look more like a pumpkin than it does already. Now, of course, you can use polish to do this. I just like using acrylic craft paint. I find it much easier to work with. It doesn't dry as quickly when you put like a little blob of it onto your mat. I find it doesn't sort of dry out as quickly as polish does. That's why I like to use that as much. And it doesn't smudge. Like, it literally never smudges, ever, when you put your top coat on. So that's what I like about that. Now moving on to the other nails, we're going to add a spider web pattern. So we're going to use firstly some liquid latex to protect the skin around our nails, because the image that I'm using is larger than my nails. So I'm just wanting to stop myself from having a lot of mess to clean up. Images from a different plate. I cannot for the life of me remember which one it was, and I'm probably too lazy to go through all of them to find it. It could be an Uber Chic Beauty plate, it could be a What's Up Nails plate, it could be a More You London plate, it could be a no-name brand plate, but I cannot remember which one it is, and I'm being lazy, so I apologise. Any spiderweb pattern you can use for this, that's fine. So on this nail I did the entire nail with a spiderweb pattern, and on my pinky I did like just a tip of my nail with the spiderweb pattern. But you don't have to do exactly what I did. You can do whatever you like, it's up to you. As you can see, I'm just taking off the bits of the stamping polish just around the very corners of my nails, just to stop it from accidentally pulling up, because sometimes when you're stamping with such thin lines, when you go to pull up the liquid latex, you can accidentally pull up some of the design off of your nails. So that's why I do that. And then we're just going to do teensy little bit of cleanup. So we're going to move on to the index nail and not completely stamp that. Like, it looks like I'm completely stamping the whole nail, but as you can see right up that top corner, I'm not actually stamping the entire nail. And again, as per usual, a little bit of cleanup. And that's it for this one. I really hope you liked it. I hope you give it a go. It's really easy to do, and you should definitely give it a go, 100%. Don't forget to subscribe. Please click the links, all the links down below for everything that I used. Most things that I used in this video are down below. You can go to the website and check it all out. I really hope you do. Anyway, thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, chickies. Happy Halloween.